Hey, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fix or repair your foundation or cracks in your concrete. We're going to take care of this right here, but before I do, I'd ask all of you to hit the like and subscribe button and the bell. It helps me out when I make videos for future videos. Anyway, get back to it. I bought this bucket of Secrete. It's cement patcher, fast setting. Okay, it comes in a bucket with a top, and you just take and dump out what you're not going to use. I'm going to guesstimate, and I'm going to use about half of this, a little less than half. So I always have a container of water. I'm going to dump in some water. Just dump in a little bit at a time, and then mix it. I prefer to use a trowel, but if you don't have a trowel, you can always buy one of these plastic putty knives, or if you have a putty knife, you can use that. I'm going to use this trowel, mix it up. Like I said, add a little water at a time so you don't get too much water in there. Mix it up. I just added too much water. So I'm going to take a little bit of the dry and mix it in until I get the consistency that I want. Okay, just keep mixing it till you get the consistency you want. It's probably more like oatmeal. You don't want it too thick because you want to be able to smear it up onto the hole. So I've got it like about oatmeal. Guess it depends on what kind of oatmeal you eat. Once you get it all mixed up, the bucket's convenient because you can tip it and get the material on the trowel. Then you're gonna scoop it up into the patch area. Having a hard time sticking, you might want to splash some water up on there. That sometimes helps it to stick. Once you get it to stick up there, the water helps a lot. You get it nice and flat. Cover all your hole. Try to flatten it out as much as you can. You don't want to have to sand this down or nothing. So you want to get a nice flat surface. Once you get your flat surface on there, you can always put some water on your knife. That'll help you to flatten it out. Try to get as nice of a flat surface as you can. Got a little bit over here. Remember, you can always add a little water to the trowel to make the material easier to deal with. Once you're done, you can dump out the unused material. Take some water, Take some water, rinse out your bucket. I have a squeegee here I use to rinse it out to keep it clean. Clean it out real nice. Wipe it out. Get it as dry as you can. Wipe it all out. Let it dry. Then you can dump your unused material back in. Put your top back on. And you can save it for the next project.